Hello viewers, let's continue the class of metabolism of a drug. So here metabolism of a drug or nothing but it is a biotransformation. The definition of the biotransformation is chemical reactions which occur in the body to change drugs from lipid soluble forms to water soluble forms. So here after the absorption distribution takes place, then it will get metabolism process will takes place. The metabolism process how it will occurs means is the chemical reactions which occurs in the body. So alteration of the drug, it is changes the drug from lipid soluble forms, nothing but fat soluble form to the water soluble form. If the drug we administer the drug either orally, parenterally, rectally or local administration, then it get into the lipid soluble forms to the water soluble form, and then after water soluble form it will easily excreted by the kidney. So this is all are the under the biotransformation. So here enzyme catalyzed conversion of drugs to their inactive metabolites, more soluble forms, more potent metabolites. So by the metabolism process, enzyme is required for its catalyzed compound. If the drug is catalyzed by the enzyme, nothing but cytochrome P450 enzyme. So the drug, if the drug is in inactive form, after the enzyme catalyzed to form the metabolites, so it form more soluble form and more potent metabolites will takes place. Here the lipid, after the conversion of the lipid soluble to water solubles, it gets more soluble form and more potent metabolite form. So the main purpose of the biotransformation is nothing but to detoxify and inactive drugs and other foreign substances. So why the metabolism of drugs will takes place means nothing but for detoxification of the drug, or if the inactive drug is present, it converts into the active form, or any foreign substances is present, it will excreted by the kidney. So if the toxic substance also present, to remove the toxic substance from the body is excreted through the kidney. This process is known as biotransformation. Next, the primary site is the liver, secondary site is the kidney, lungs, plasma, intestinal mucosa. These all are the nothing but the sites, major sites. Next, the biotransformation has two phases, that is phase 1 and phase 2. Here phase 1, here oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. In phase 2, acetylation, glucuronide formation and sulfation will occurs. Next, phase 1 reaction. Here phase 1 reaction is nothing but conversion of lipophilic molecules into more polar molecules by introducing or exposing polar functional groups. Here nothing but if the drug is metabolized means, here the conversion of the lipophilic means lipid loving agents, nothing but the fat soluble molecules is into the polar molecules. If the drug is in fat soluble form, it is converted in the polar molecules by introducing or addition or by exposing to the polar functional groups. This is known as phase 1 reaction. Phase 1 reaction is also known as the functionalization of the process. Here the main types is oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen atom and removal of hydrogen ion is known as oxidation. In oxidation process, if the drug is metabolizing by the addition of the oxygen atom and then removal of the hydrogen atom. So it has 6 types, nothing but oxidation at nitrogen atom, nothing but primary amine is converted to the nitrosamine by the addition of oxygen. Example is dapsone and chlorpheniramine. chlorpheniramine. These are the drugs. So oxidation of sulfur atom. So the addition of the sulfur atom is known as oxidation of sulfur atom. Example is chlorpromazine and chloramphenicals. These are the drugs for oxidation of sulfur atoms. Next, aliphatic hydroxylation. So in aliphatic hydroxylation, salicylic acid is converted to the gentisic acid. Example is ibuprofen also, and tolbutamide also, the aliphatic hydroxylation. Next, aromatic hydroxylation. Next, aromatic means nothing but benzene compound is present. Aliphatic means without benzene compound, aliphatic hydroxylation takes place. Here aromatic hydroxylation is phenytoin and propanolone. Next, dealkylation at oxygen atoms. So removal of the alkyl groups in hydrogen atom. This phenacetin converts to the paracetamol. Next, microsomal monooxygenase in liver. In liver, cytochrome 450 requires NADPH plus oxygens for its metabolic process. Next, reaction. Reaction means nothing but addition of hydrogen ion and removal of oxygen ion, nothing but reduction. So removing of the oxygen molecule and addition of the hydrogen molecule is nothing but reduction. Here example is hydrocortisone is a steroid compound. Next, hydrolysis. The drug is split into the combining with water. If the drug is metabolized, then it will combine with the hydrogen. Example is meferidic acid. Next, phase 2 reactions, nothing but conjugation reaction. If the metabolites of phase 1 reaction are not sufficiently polar, they undergo conjugation. How it conjugation means, in phase 1 it will get metabolite process will takes place. The enzyme, cytochrome enzyme, is break down the molecules, complex molecules into the smaller molecules, and it combines with the water polar molecules. This is easily excreted. If any substance is present in our body, it will get into the conjugation reaction. So they undergoes the conjugation process. The conjugation reactions with endogenous substance is acetylation and acetyltransferase. Use acetyl-CoA as a source of acetase. Next, glucuronide formation. So it is formation of acetylation, or it forms the glucuronide formation. Glucuronosyl transferase conjugates glucuronate molecule with a drug. Mainly the phase 2 reactions takes place in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is nothing but it is a liquid solution is present in our cell. Sulfation, sulfotransferase sulfonates in the several drugs. It actives the compound molecules. So factors influence drugs. What is the main factors is age. Age is also different between the, if the patient is adult, it shows more active. If the patient is in pediatric or geriatrics, the drug shows less potency. So individual variations for its weight, height, and also if the person is healthy person, it shows very rapidly quick actions will takes place. And if the patient is already suffers from another disease, any disease or disorder, it shows less active potency. And nutrition, if the patient follows nutrition diets, it shows the active potency. If the patient is poor condition, disease patients without the nutrition form, it shows very slowly. And gender, for males and females also its variations will takes place. So fast path metabolism occurs in the, if metabolism of drugs during its passage from the site of absorption into the systemic circulation is nothing but first pass metabolism. How it first pass metabolism occurs means a drug is absorption will takes place at the site of absorption into the circulation part. Through its passage, the passage of the drug from absorption into the systemic circulation is known as fast pass metabolism. It gut wall, gut lumen means nothing but GI tract. Next, liver is the major site for the metabolism, and lungs also, skin also. Through skin, permeability will takes place, osmosis diffusion will takes place. So these all are the under the sites in the first pass metabolism. So this is the biotransformation. Thank you.